In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at My Cancer Essentials. It's a boutique fueled by first-hand experience to ease the challenges of cancer.
It was in the face of adversity and innovative business, My Cancer Essentials emerged. Shireen Heron is the founder and CEO.
When I was to go into surgery, I didn't know what to take to the hospital, and a friend of mine had said to me, "Don't worry, I got you. I'll bring you the items for the surgery to take to the hospital." And when she brought a nice bag, and when I say nice bag, a scandal bag of it, remember it's 2020, it's COVID. So she brought me all the items in a bag, and when I opened the bag and saw the nightie, I looked at it and I said to her, "Oh my goodness, the nightie ugly."
Ms. Heron says this incident led her to research a variety of cancer care products, but to her surprise,
when I started researching and putting everything together, then that's when I recognized, but wait, there really isn't such a space like this. There are different aspects of it all over, but nothing where you have in a mall setting, where you have a boutique for cancer care where somebody can come inside the store and feel comfortable.
Her store now offers over 20 different lines of products for cancer patients.
So I do have a chemo wear, and the chemo wear, if you have a port, and you can wear the shirt with the port, with the zipper. They're equipped with 2 zippers, and so accessing the port is easier. You can go out in style. Nobody would know that you're actually heading to chemo. They look stylish. They're very comfortable. They keep you warm, and you zipper down, access the port, so there's no need to take off the shirt.
She caters to children, women, and men. But the company, which opened in April 2023, has had challenges.
One of the challenges that I'm having is really finding products that are of the quality for a cancer patient that is also affordable. I have found products that are affordable, but the quality is not as good.
She also admits that in terms of profit,
we're not very yet visible in the market. Just started doing social media, and I had some personal challenges in the past couple of months, so that has pushed back anything that I'd wanted to do. But now we're moving full.
However, she has big dreams for the company, which includes expanding into the international market. While working towards that dream, she encourages people to visit the store, as its decor alone offers comfort to patients.
The ceiling, there are shades of cancer, and everything that's in the store is specifically chosen. It's not by chance. It's specifically chosen for highlighting something. And so not only your products that you will be getting and services, but you will be getting an experience from you walk through the door. The signs that we have, the fixtures that we have here, the smell that we have inside the store, the music that is playing, it's all very calming. So this is the reason you come here for an experience, not just for products and services.
For the Business Review, I'm Sandy Williams.
Saturday afternoon.